Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring innovative and stylish living room decorating ideas to transform your space into a sophisticated haven. The minimalist living room, a symphony of simplicity. In the bustling world we live in, the minimalist approach to living room decor offers a breath of fresh air. Emphasizing clean lines and neutral colors, this style creates a serene and clutter-free environment, ideal for relaxation and mental clarity. Minimalism is not just about reducing the number of items in a room, but about choosing each piece with intentionality, ensuring it contributes to the overall harmony of the space. Furniture and layout. The foundation of a minimalist living room lies in its furniture. Opt for pieces with sleek, simple designs. Think of a low-profile sofa with straight arms and thin legs, a streamlined coffee table, and open shelving units. The goal is to maintain an airy feel, so avoid bulky or overly ornate furniture. Arrange the furniture to promote easy movement and maintain an open, spacious look. Color palette. Neutral colors are the hallmark of minimalist decor. Shades of white, beige, and gray dominate the palette, creating a calming and cohesive backdrop. To add visual interest, without disrupting the serene ambience, introduce subtle accents. Textured pillows, throws, and a few strategically placed decor items can add depth and warmth without overwhelming the space. Accents and accessories. In a minimalist living room, less is more. Choose a few high-quality, statement pieces rather than filling the room with many small items. A single piece of abstract art on the wall, a geometric vase, or a simple plant can serve as focal points. Incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, and linen to add warmth and texture, enhancing the room's inviting feel. Cozy, warm-toned approach. Embracing warmth, the cozy living room. For those who seek comfort and a sense of homeliness, a cozy, warm-toned living room is the perfect choice. This style revolves around creating an inviting and intimate atmosphere, making the living room a place where family and friends can gather and unwind. Warm colors, natural materials, and layered lighting are key elements in achieving this look. Color palette. Warm tones like browns, beiges, and earthy reds dominate this decor style. These colors evoke a sense of comfort and tranquility, making the living room feel like a cozy retreat. To create a harmonious color scheme, use varying shades of these warm colors throughout the room. Materials and textures. Natural materials play a significant role in a cozy living room. Wood, leather, and wool are excellent choices for furniture and accessories. A wooden coffee table, leather armchair, and woolen throw blanket can add warmth and texture, enhancing the room's inviting feel. Consider adding a plush rug underfoot for added comfort and coziness. Lighting. Layered lighting is essential in a cozy living room. Combine different types of lighting to create a warm and welcoming ambience. Floor lamps, table lamps, and candles can provide soft, diffused light, perfect for relaxation. Bold colors and patterns. Daring and dynamic, bold colors and patterns. For those with a flair for the dramatic, incorporating bold colors and patterns into your living room decor can create a vibrant and energetic space. This approach is all about making a statement and expressing personality through eye-catching design elements. While it may seem daunting, balancing bold elements with more subdued pieces can result in a harmonious and visually stimulating environment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more decorating inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!